No, girl. Why something else spill?
Then get a nice beat.
Oh, they don't even worry about it.
Yeah.
Just...
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah, use toilet paper.
What are you thinking? Just keep drinking. I'm ready from the bed. And we just came from San Jose. I don't know why. I just came here to San Francisco. Oh, just keep drinking like
So
it.
you know what happened?
Hey, rapping. And we keep rapping. Like it.
Look. Okay, look. I'm in my house.
Yeah.
There ain't no mouse inside this house.
Yeah.
Because I have mousetrap. And this is my girl. She's name is Jasmine. She's not a mousetrap either. She's my sister. My sister from another mister. That's right. She's my friend. She's my best friend. It's what I said. It's how I do. It's what I don't. I say, oh hey, my name's Kamani. I do eat salami. I'll say it. It's very true.
That's right.
And this is my boo Colleen.
That's right.
She's my girl. She's from a good big girl at San Francisco Bay. I said, hey. And so I know I like to eat a lot of meat in my mouth. I'm from the South California, if you know. I ain't no hoe. And that's what I said. It's every day. I'm just
Hey, you got Ray from the Bay. Just came from San Jose. Went to the festival and got drunk like motherfucker, man.
check it. Check 11415 415
Push it real good.
415
Push it real good.
No, the funniest one was that one at Ross.
There's like 3 songs that changed. I didn't do it.
What'd you do?
I didn't do it.
What?
I didn't do it.
Sunset San Francisco West.
Yeah. Cheers to freestyle.
Wait.
Jasmine wants one.
Okay, cheers.
Let's finish this handle tonight, shall we?
Oh my god.
Yes. I got work at 11. Say what?
What?
Are we too loud?